Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to your watch. So first thing we need to do is to find the Garmin Connect application icon, press and hold on it, and tap on App Info. Here we need to tap on Permissions, and right here I recommend to allow a couple of permissions, like SMS, phone, call logs, and the contacts. To allow them, simply tap on one that is not allowed. You have the allowed list and not allowed list. Find the one of these, tap on it, for example contacts, then tap on allow, and then go back, and it will appear at the allowed list. And once you allow the SMS, phone, contacts, call logs, you can close the settings, then open the actual settings on your phone. So let's find the settings icon, tap on it, and we need to find the notification access. To do it, you can tap on search and tap on notification, type in notification access. But it might not show up for you, because on the older version of Androids, it's called notification access. On the newer ones, it's called something else. So to find it, we need to scroll down, tap on notifications, and right here on this phone, it's called device and app notifications. On the other Androids, you should be able to go to, I believe, notifications, and it's something like maybe apps. Yes, apps and special app access, and there on this list you should see the notification access, but on this version of Android it's called something else. It's called device and app notifications. But basically we need to allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect. So once you open the device and app notifications, you will see the list of allowed list, or rather list of apps that are allowed and the not allowed. And as you can see, we have the Connect app right here. We need to tap on it, and we have allow notification access. Tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can go back and open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, tap on more, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Vivomove Luxe on the list. Select it. Here, find the alerts option and tap on it, and then tap on smart notifications. And we have during activity and not during activity. During activities, when you're tracking or recording the activity on your watch, like cycling, running, and stuff like that. And not during activities, basically everything else. So you can enable and disable the notifications during activity or not during activity, and you can also select which types of notifications should be displayed. And we have all notifications, calls only, or calls and texts. So basically you won't see the app notifications. So select the ones you like, and once you're done, you can go back to the device page and sync your watch with your phone. And once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied, and we should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna open the Discord, log in, and once I log in, I'm gonna send myself a message, and we should receive that message on our watch. So let's log in. Okay. And now I'm gonna send myself a message. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.